Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a login form in ASP.NET MVC using Entity Framework code first. To play demo, you need to download the sleek login form responsive widget template from the W3 Layout website. Unzip your login template, then copy the login template to your website project. Open your account controller, then create an action for your login form corresponding to HTTP GET and HTTP POST. Right-click on your login action, then create a login view. Open your login template, then copy the login template to your login view. You need to include CSS and JavaScript file to your login layout, then change HTML control to the ASP.NET MVC control. You can also change the login information from username to email. Thank you for watching this video.